I'm Drew with Angel Water, here to help you with your water. If you live in a high rise and you're sick and tired of lugging bottles of water up into your home week after week, of spending all that money, upwards to $100 a month, we've got the system for you. If you are tired of single-use plastic polluting the earth, taking 1,000 years to decompose, oh my God, we've got the system for you. If you're tired of being involved with all that plastic, if you want healthier water, if you want to follow your health practitioner's recommendation, which is drinking half your weight in ounces a day, this is the system for you. This countertop PurAsure drinking water system will make your water in Chicago better than bottle quality water. It takes out radium-228, 226. It takes out hexavalent chromium-6. It takes out mercury. It takes out lead. It takes out chlorine. It takes out all the contaminants that are in your water. All you need to do is click the button below. We'll get one delivered to your house. That's all you need to do to get healthier, cleaner water, be better to the environment, be better to your family, and don't forget, drink half your weight in ounces a day. Click the button below, get one shipped out to your house right now. Or you can visit us on the web at angelwater.com or call us at 847-382-7800.